Hi, this is Art. We're over at the body shop today, showing you guys some damaged coaches that have come in. Here's a Fleetwood Pace Arrow that got tangled up with a car here. So this coach has been here for about 4 weeks now. We've just received all the parts that we've ordered, so this is going to go into production. So it'll move through the shop pretty fast. We're probably about 5 to 6 weeks to completing this coach now, and we'll update you on it, get some photos and video of it, I'm sure, along the way. Here's another coach that came in about 10 days ago. It's an Allegro open road Tiffin product, and I actually took a call Sunday afternoon on this job, and the customer had just rear-ended a semi-truck coming down the Cajon Pass. So, you know, unfortunately, they damaged their coach, but they're okay. Could have been a heck of a lot worse. So we'll be putting this coach back in a brand new shape, and we'll show you some pictures and video along the way. If we could help you with any body and paint work, service work, interior remodel work, give us a call at OCRV in Anaheim.